Okay, so starting off, I think I'm gonna go with this transition color right here. This one. I think I can use that one. And that one is a matte. And I like how it has a really big mirror. Okay, so definitely getting your money's worth, because if you're traveling and stuff like that, you can just pick this up and go. So far, if you guys can't already tell, this is very pigmented, I must say. The color that I'm using, because they also tells you all the colors that you're using, the one that I'm using is called Tandemonium. Yeah. And it's very pigmented so far, and I really like how it's applying. I like that transition a lot. Alright, so next color that I'm going to use, I really want to use the burgundy. It's almost like a burgundy color, and it's called Queen Sugar. It's this one right here. Like, yes. I think I have an idea of what I want to do with this look. So I'm just gonna take that burgundy right there. Oh my god, this is really, like, do you guys see my brush? And even when I do this, there's literally like not even a lot of fallback, which I really like. Okay, we're ready. Oh my god, y'all. Seriously? Definitely have to be light-handed with this one, because whoa, honestly this might be my new favorite like burgundy color, because this is bomb. This burgundy is everything. And I'm kind of using like this dense like crease brush to really pack it where I want it to be. And I always go in windshield motion, so I'm just doing that. I'm going to use that same brush that I use, and I'm going to blend that out. Okay, so I'm actually gonna deepen that burgundy a little bit more on the corners, because I'm going to do it like a halo type of eye, because I really want to use one of the golds too, and I'm gonna put that right in the middle. I'm just gonna smoke it out a bit more on the sides. This is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to take some concealer, and we're going to do a haloed eye. Let's go ahead and do that. Not the only person that every time I do like a cut crease or anything, like, no, but for like my hands be like shaking sometimes, because you know, like, it's like a break it or make it moment. Like, okay, I think this is good enough. Just going to set that lightly with powder, and we're going to go back to that burgundy, and we're going to just smoke out the sides. And now we are going to go in this golden color, like champagne-y golden color. That's what we're going to use for the middle. And first I'm just going to apply it without wetting my brush, because I want to see the pigmentation on it. So let's go right ahead. You guys are honestly, this is really nice, and I didn't even spray my brush. Like, yes. Like, look at this pigmentation, y'all. Okay, you guys, so that is it for the eyes. I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I'm going to come right back and tell you guys my final thoughts on this palette. Hey guys, so I am back with the final look, and this is the look that I have created, and I've also used one of their lippies as well. This is number 5 Mented, and it is in the color, yeah, Mented, and it's like a cool tone, you know, like nude type of color, but I put powder on it so it can be more matte, which I really like. Honestly, I really need to start wearing lipsticks more like I used to, because this is a bomb. So my last impressions, I guess, about this palette is I really like these colors. This palette is very pigmented. You guys seen it firsthand. I really like that, and I really like that their first palette is a neutral palette, because with this palette you can take it out anywhere, and you can honestly do day and night looks, which I really like about this palette. I mean, look at these, look at this, like, they are not playing when it comes to pigment at all. I really love this company, and this company is black owned, so you know I'm gonna support, like, hello. But yeah, you guys, I really like this palette, and it was really easy for me to use, and it didn't have that much fallout, which I like, because you do not want your money and the product to just be flying around everywhere, you know. I have a little bit of fallout, but it's not to the point where the pan is about to be almost done. And let's just talk about the pan sizes. I mean, these are gonna last a long time, which again is really bomb. I really can't wait to see, you know, all the other palettes. I'm pretty sure they have some in the works, you know, and I'm gonna be here for it. I really like how this looks. But you guys, I hope you like this whole look. Don't forget to stay tuned for my next video, and I will see you guys in my next video.